Welcome. In today's video, we're going to learn how to delete a channel on WhatsApp. Whether you've created a channel just for testing or you've decided it's no longer needed, this updated guide will walk you through every step clearly and quickly. Let's dive right in. First, open WhatsApp on your phone. Make sure you're running the latest version of the app so that all the latest features appear as they should. Once you're in, go to the Updates tab. You'll find it next to your Chats tab at the bottom of the screen. This is where all channels, both the ones you follow and the ones you've created, are displayed. Now, look for your own channel. It should appear under the section labeled Your Channels. Tap on it to open your channel feed. Here, you'll see your posts, followers, and all the updates you've shared so far. Next, tap on your channel name at the very top of the screen. This will take you into your channel's info page, where you can change details like your channel description, profile photo, or settings. Scroll all the way down until you see the option that says Delete Channel. When you tap this option, WhatsApp will ask you to confirm your choice. Remember, deleting your channel will remove it permanently. That means all your updates, followers, and activity related to it will be erased. There's no way to recover your channel once it's deleted, so make sure you really want to remove it before proceeding. Once you confirm, the process will only take a few seconds. Your channel will disappear from the Updates tab, and no one, including you, will be able to access it anymore. And that's it. You've successfully deleted your channel on WhatsApp. It's a simple process, but one that's important to do carefully. If you ever decide to create a new channel in the future, the setup is just as quick and easy. Thanks for watching.